Probably can just hold it with one hand if you want. Are we recording now?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3. Hi, sorry about the echo here. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do the big reveal of this room. I don't know if you remembered early on the way this room looked before. It was a total mess. It was there was no storage. It was clutter everywhere, and I had those awful burgundy walls that something needed to be done with it. So there was a lot of work that went into this. I had to get cabinets, butcher block countertop. I had to do something with that floor because that floor was rotten in a couple spots, lots of gouges, lots of dings. And it's not normal hardwood like fully thick hardwood you'd find in some houses. It's engineered. So once that first layer of engineered where the good stuff gets wore off, then it's all you have to replace it or do something with it. So plus it was an acoustic mess because with the hardwoods and the noise was just awful, especially when I try to record. Plus I needed to have a dedicated drone room. So without further ado, I'm going to open this and reveal to you what it looks like. And I hope you like it. You want to just stay right there?
Mm-hmm.
Or unless you want to get closer. Want to get closer? Yep, and I have my young daughter here help me out with the camera. And yeah, this is the butcher block countertop. And if we do a pull out on this, you can show them everything up there, as you see here. That is the new YouTube workshop, the new drone room. If you want to go ahead and stand over there and get me in the corner here. Hours and hours of work went into this. I sacrificed a lot of flying time on a lot of beautiful days because I spent all my time in this room. What you're looking at is, see here, I just didn't put lipstick on a pig. The floor was still stable, still good. I had a bad spot right over here, a bunch of gouges in front of the treadmill here. So everything got gutted out of here. Everything got taken out of here early on, including the treadmill. And all my quadcopters and all that stuff is in storage now. I have got to get that back in here soon. Yeah, I went ahead and just, this is just commercial grade flooring tile that you find in a lot of offices, businesses, doctor's offices, and especially this is actually engineered for a gymnasium, which I have this treadmill here. It works out perfectly. And I have all this storage here, all this storage. A lot of time, like I said, a lot of time went into putting this in here. I think working for myself, I'm pickier than if I did it for somebody else. But yeah, like yesterday. Yesterday was the January 21st, and I spent 13 hours straight without any breaks, working in here, getting this all set up, putting in the shelving, yeah. And what I have now to do is, you see all this right here? These are storage boxes, and instead of just throwing stuff in here, I'm gonna put it in here like so. So I have everything. I'm gonna have a label maker and have everything labeled. So when I do get it out, I don't know if they can see that in there, honey. So when I do get everything out of here, it's going to, or everything back in here, it's all gonna be neatly stored, and I'm not gonna have any clutter over here on that table. So now I can actually work on quadcopters. I can actually do YouTube videos in here. Yeah, it's just gonna be great. So, say hi.
Hi.
So I hope you like the room, and I don't know, leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. I hope you like it. I'm my worst enemy when it comes to looking. I can always see imperfections and everything. I try to do things as perfectly as possible, but it never turns out that way. Oh yeah, one thing I do want to mention, here, hold the camera again, is don't as you see here, I have different colors of gray. I have 3 different colors of gray in here, darker on these walls here, lighter on these walls, and of course on the carpeting, but it all comes out in the end. It all makes it kind of a blue tone to it. And I did that on a reason, for a purpose, is because I wanted to go ahead and finish out these cabinets in white, total white. And in order to do that, it has to be in an environment, in a color that is complementary to a white color. So that's why I went with gray in here. And that is the focal point right here, is the cabinets. When you walk in this room, the first thing you see is the white cabinets, and they turn out beautiful. They just are gorgeous. And plus these pulls here, I have about $100 worth of hardware in these doors right here. And I went with something, it seems like when you buy simple, they charge you for simple, and I just wanted to go with simplicity, black on white pops. And that's what I did over here. Want to point the camera with the door hardware? So, without further ado, I'm going to sign out on this video, and we shall see you again. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.